The Moonshot Junior Hackathon is finally here, where your skills will make all the difference. We have got an array of problem statements, an array of challenges for you to choose from, and we are looking for innovative and sustainable solutions from you. Moonshot Junior has collaborated with I4C to organize this hackathon, to provide a platform to young minds and innovators to showcase their creativity, to showcase their innovative mindset, to showcase their entrepreneurial spirit, to find the solutions to problems that exist around us. If you are a student between grade 5 and grade 10, you can log on to our website and choose from one of the problem statement and provide a solution. Our experts, our judges, will then choose from the problem statement, and the selected student will lot of exciting prizes. You can submit your solutions in the form of PowerPoint presentations, PPTs, or in the form of the videos, limiting to 2 to 3 minutes. Videos are always preferable. Like in the presentation or in the video, tell us about the problem statement that you have selected, why you have selected that problem statement, and explain the solution. If you have a prototype or the solution in the form of a design ready, then showcase it, whether it is on paper, whether it is on blackboard, whiteboard, in any shape or form. That will always help. The winning team will receive, or the winners will receive, a robotic car kit, a Moonpreneur board game, and 50% scholarship in our innovator program, along with Amazon gift vouchers. We are also offering top 500 students a free trial to our innovator program. This is an opportunity for you to showcase your creativity, to showcase your innovative skills. All the participants will get a certificate of appreciation for joining innovative journey. So without any delay, register for this hackathon. All the very best.